Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Ho An, Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time update, guys. This could be the final shakeout before we see things going up, guys. We're seeing that Dogecoin is forming a lower pattern and preparing to absolutely explode to the upside, guys. So, guys, remember, don't panic. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. We're going to see a huge upside. By the end of December, the end of the bull run, I think it's going to be delayed probably to the end of January or even later, guys. So don't panic. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Woo, let's get it. This is the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And guys and gals, remember, this is not financial advice. Absolutely not financial advice. Please go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, guys. So let's get into the content without any further delay. So we're seeing right now that the pre-markets, guys, are looking okay. We're seeing that the Dow Jones right now, the Dow Jones is at it's slightly up. It's like 0.16%, and we're seeing that the S&P has just turned green. We're seeing that Nasdaq also just turned green. So hopefully this will hold. We're also seeing that right now Bitcoin has come down from its $50,000 level, and it's come down to 49,000. So we're seeing that the markets right now are being a little bit negative. So hopefully this won't hold. And we're seeing that in the pre-market, so Pfizer, biotech, and all other pharmaceutical companies doing pretty good in the house. So right now we can see that this is from Bitcoin Archive, and he's saying that the government in the house, they just keep printing money, and but the thing is, they can't make more Bitcoin. So we're seeing that we could see that a Bitcoin in the not too distant future could be worth $1 million in the house. So this is bullish. If you're holding Bitcoin and you hold Bitcoin for 5-10 years, you're definitely going to see the value of Bitcoin go uppity up, guys. Also too, we're seeing that we'd be telling what happens. The bulls would want a consolidation around here. So you're seeing that the bulls right now, we need to have a consolidation around about 53 to 53.5, and that's a key support level for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin can't go up to 53 and 53.5, we could see that could have a downside rejection back down to 45, 42,000 in the house, because $42,000 is a huge support level for Bitcoin. So we just really need to see Bitcoin rally, guys. And as I said in my previous video, we could be seeing a massive short squeeze happening for Bitcoin, and it looks like that short squeeze could happen sometime this weekend, probably Friday, U.S. time. So we can see that the CME futures are going to expire, and we've seen that there's a lot of shorts being placed on Bitcoin. So that could create a cascading short on Bitcoin, which is good, because when short positions get wrecked, what they need to do is they need to buy back Bitcoin at a higher price to recover their losses. So that could see Bitcoin's price bounce and recover. So we're looking forward to that. Hopefully that happens. And we're also seeing that we see that a Bitcoin indicated that just finished accumulation phase. So we are seeing that Bitcoin is just accumulating. You can see the Twitter up there, and we're seeing that we could be seeing another breakout. We see accumulation, then we have breakout, guys. So we're seeing that we're starting to see that Bitcoin is moving into the breakout phase after the accumulation, and we could see a huge price rise, up to 70, anywhere between 70 and 100,000. Some people are saying that we could see almost $200,000 in the house coming in for Bitcoin. So hopefully that happens. And we keep talking about Bitcoin. And the reason we keep talking about Bitcoin is because we need Bitcoin to move and get moving. And if Bitcoin can't move, then the other altcoins are not going to move with it, guys. So this is really important that this happens, that Bitcoin makes a move, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in right now, we can see that there really seems to be a fascinating relationship between Bitcoin cycle logs, Fibonacci curves of log regression band, and we're seeing after bouncing near the 1.272, each saw resistance around about 1.618. So we're seeing a lot of resistance right now at the 1.618 Fibonacci level. And if we can blow past the 1.618 Fibonacci level, this will confirm a breakout to the upside. But if we do not get past the 1.618, we could be going down to the 1.272 Fibonacci level, and that could drive Bitcoin down to 42,000. So we really need Bitcoin to get moving beyond the 1.618 Fibonacci, and this is really key in the in-house, guys. So let's take a look at some news, and then we're going to talk about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu in-house. And we're seeing that Biden's controversial anti-crypto controller nominee withdrawal. So there was a nominee to for one of Biden's controllers to control the crypto. And it looks like he's out of there. He wasn't really interested in doing that, and he thought that it was too controversial. So it looks like Biden is looking for another crypto controller in the House. So let's see what happens with that. And we're seeing that there's a huge meeting happening next week. The financial oversight committee is going to be meeting. They're going to be talking to a lot of people who are working in blockchain. People from Coinbase, FTX are going to be there, and they're going to be talking about in-depth crypto regulation. So that's another reason why you're seeing the markets a little bit cool right now, is because people are waiting what is going to be the outcome of that meeting. And don't forget, we got around about the 15th of December, we got the CPI data coming out, and this data is not looking too good, guys. And it looks like that we could be painting a higher CPI, and we could see CPI going up in November, November CPI being reported, and we could see 6.7% in the House, guys. So this is really interesting. Other thing we're seeing is that, Shiba Inu whales just buys 99 billion worth of tokens worth 3.8, and we could be seeing another leg up for Shiba Inu anytime soon. So it looks like another leg is coming, guys, and people are still pretty positive about Shiba Inu, and this is very interesting and cool news in the House. So let's take a look at Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin right now is trading around about 17.56, and as you guys can see here, that Dogecoin is just at that 17.5 support line. And as I've said in a couple of videos already, that this is an area where we're going to see absolutely Dogecoin could bounce up from. And if that happens, and if correlates with Bitcoin also bouncing up, we could see Dogecoin coming in, breaking past 30 cents, and we could see a huge upside. I really believe that Dogecoin is going to have a huge upside soon, guys, and we could be seeing Dogecoin breaking past 30 cents in the House pretty soon, guys. So this is really bullish in itself, and we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now is down again, and right now it's trading around about 33.6 in the House, and it's still above the 33 support level and below the 43 support level. So basically we're seeing that Shiba Inu is just going sideways. Now Shiba Inu does have risk of breaking down. If Shiba Inu goes below the white descending line, that could push Shiba Inu below the 33 support, and then that could push it all the way down as low as 23 in the House, 24 in the House. So we don't want to see that, but you still see whales are buying up Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is going to be entering into gaming metaverse, so this is bullish news for Shiba Inu. They've just signed a deal with AAA Gaming, so hopefully this happens, and this will validate what we all think and what we all expect, is that Shiba Inu is going to go up. And we're really, one of the things that's holding Doge back right now is Doge. Doge fundamentals. There's really nothing much that's been going on. The devs have just the only thing they've really done is they've increased the transaction speed and reduced the fees, but there's nothing much really going on in terms of development. And that's what we really need to see. And I don't think we're going to see much happening in terms of Dogecoin until next year when we get the Ethereum bridge. And once we have the Ethereum bridge between Doge and Ethereum, then we're going to see smart contracts and all that stuff. So there's still lots of happening. We've got SpaceX coming. We're still waiting. We're still absolutely waiting for Elon Musk to accept Dogecoin and Bitcoin to buy a Tesla. And if you're watching this, brother, you said that once Bitcoin started using more than 50% renewable energy, that Tesla would accept Bitcoin as payment. And we're still waiting for that. And I've been, ranting about this. So Elon, if you're listening, come on, you got to do what you promised, guys, because we're still waiting for it. We're still absolutely waiting for it in the House, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin right now is trading at 49,130, and it's come down a little bit, but it seems that every day around about 8 p.m. Singapore time, we have this whale, and this whale always causes a dip, guys, and it's about a 4-hour dip, and then we get a reversal. So it's very interesting. This phenomenon seems to be happening over and over again, and you can see here in my post that from 8 p.m. we see Singapore time, there's a whale that never fails to drop the price, and this happens for about 3 or 4 hours, and the price comes up. So I just think there's some whale out there that's dropping the price, taking short position and just scalping, guys. So that's what that's all about. So I wouldn't worry about it. I think that the Bitcoin price is going to probably pop up in about 3 3 or 4 hours. So this is very, very good news in the house. So if we take a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart, we can see that still I see a V-shaped recovery. We need to get back above the green line, the green channel line, to confirm a bullish pattern. But we're getting closer to the 21-day EMA on the weekly chart, so that's a very bullish and that's very good in the house. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So we're seeing the total market cap has gone down, and right now the total market cap is at 2.37 trillion in the house, and the volumes are really light. This is kind of strange that we got these really light volumes right now, and it's at 78.52 billion, and we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is going down. So this should start to trigger, absolutely start to trigger a the altcoins to start to pump, guys. So let's take a look at the altcoins and the Bitcoin price in the house. So we're seeing that right now. Bitcoin right now is down slightly, and it's at 49,189 in the house. Ethereum, and that's down 3.66%. Ethereum right now is at $42,887, down almost 2%. And we're seeing BNB is almost neutral. It's $580. So hopefully BNB will get itself back above 600. I don't know what's going on with Solana. There's been a lot of profit taking, and it's down to 5.6%. It's at $188. ADA is also going down. It's down 4.5%. It's at $1.37. DOT in the house is now turned negative. It was positive for most of the day here in Vietnam, here in Asia, and it's gone down. It's now at 28.68. And Luna's down 6.51%. And we're seeing that Doge is also down 2%. It's at 17.5. It was almost at 18 cents early, so Doge is also coming down as well. And we're seeing that Solana is also down, as I said. We're seeing that Avalanche is also down 3.15%, and that's at $89 in the house. And Shiba Inu is also down 1.78%. So from that perspective, we need to just keep an eye on things, and things are going to go up. So overall, that's about all we got for today, guys and gals. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter, guys. Smash the likes as always, and don't forget to check out the links, guys. Definitely check out the links, check out the merch, guys. So this is the OG in the house expressing his opinion, and guys and gals, remember, this is not financial advice, absolutely not financial advice. Please go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, check out the links, and guys and gals, don't forget to check out the merch. We got the mug to mug, we got all sorts of stuff, and don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it in the house. Woo!